What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy KJ Dinero, and I got a cool unboxing for y'all today. So I ain't buy no shoes in a long time for real, and I don't even know what was the last pair of shoes I bought. So you feel me? As a spoiler for myself, well, not a spoiler, but as a gift to myself, I got myself some shoes. So we finna unbox it and see, you know, what it is. Whoa. Let's get that out of here. Ooh. Do y'all know what these is though? See the box. These are the High Step Air TERRA NOCTA by Drake. So these is his Nike shoes. As you can see, you feel me, black with the yellow. In the inside, they got a blue, you feel me, a blue inside, a blue sole with the NOCTA and Nike, you know, logos. This shoe hard, I'm not gonna lie to you. Inside the box, you see, it ain't nothing but blue paper. The other shoe. I'm not gonna lie, these way cleaner in person. I had seen Lil Yachty do a ad for him, and he made them look clean. Obviously, you see the G text on the bottom. Nah, these ones definitely clean. I'm gonna give y'all on foot in a second. So this is the High Step Air TERRA. These shoes, I mean, they cool on the comfortability standpoint of it. I mean, I feel like when I was trying them on, I probably had on like the wrong pair of socks. So, but they decent though. I feel like over time you wear them, you feel me, they'll get like more comfortable. Style of the shoe, this cool. This a cool ass shoe. I don't know, like this motherfucker raw, and I feel like the black and yellow, like that shit cold to me. So I don't know. I'm a fan. I ain't gonna lie, and I fuck with Drake. So this is probably one of the best colorways out of the three, or this is probably my favorite colorway. The all black pair, they cool, but I mean, you know, there's so many all black shoes, and the all white pair, they white. So I'm not really a fan of white shoes. So if you're looking for something stylish and decent and something reasonable on the price side, you should, you know, get them. But if not, you feel me? If you don't feel like you can style them or like wear them right, then don't get them, because these is not an everybody shoe. Again, I give these shoes probably 9 out of 10. You feel me? I want to see what else Drake, what else he can do with colorways and, you feel me, more on the NOCTA brand he got with Nike. But I appreciate all the support and love. I do got another unboxing on the way too, so stay, tuned for that. And I appreciate y'all again. You feel me? And we just gonna keep going up. You feel me? That's gonna be the outro from now on. We just gonna keep going up. And then I'm out of here. All right, y'all.